friends, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by and hanging out with me. I really do appreciate it. If you are new to my channel, welcome. My name is Dede. Thank you so much for visiting, and I would love for you to stick around, subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you so much for being here. So in this video, I'm sharing with you guys my July and August empties. It's a lot. And just share with you guys what we used up in our household for the last 2 months. And I do have my trash bag here. I will tell you if I enjoyed it and would repurchase it or not. If there are repeats that you have seen in my previous empties, then I may just quickly go through them. This is the Equate, which is the Walmart brand. Dry Scalp 2-in-1 Dandruff Shampoo plus Conditioner. This was my husband's, and he buys it. It's okay. I wouldn't say it's the best product. There's others that I feel are better. He likes it. He once in a while will repurchase it. We have this, I think I got at Dollar Tree. It's the Clean Shower Daily Shower Cleaner. Cleans mildew stains, prevents soap scum, hard water, and other stains. It is a 32 fluid ounce. That is what it looks like. This was okay. I would say it wasn't the greatest, but it wasn't the worst. If I had to repurchase it, then I definitely would, but it was just all right. I finally finished from 2 falls ago, I think, or last fall. I think it was 2 falls ago. The Marshmallow Pumpkin Latte Body Lotion. This is the one that has pumpkin latte, toasted marshmallow, creamy sandalwood, white ginger, and praline musk. I absolutely love this scent. It is one of my absolute favorites, and I finally finished it up, so I'm really glad about that. I do have a backup that I know of, but I would constantly repurchase that. This was my husband's. This is an Irish Spring Body Wash Original. He loves these. He will constantly repurchase it. I don't care for the scent, but he does. This is the OGX Coconut Milk Anti-Breakage Serum. We love this in our house. We go through these. We all use it. My husband, my kids, and myself. And I already have backups. This is the Ulta Beauty 150 Ultra Soft Cotton Squares. And this is what that looks like. I love these. I have told you guys before, I constantly repurchase them. They are dupes, in my opinion, for the Shiseido ones. But they're those are $6.99. For $150, I think the Shiseido you get maybe $50 for $10 or $12. I can't remember. This is the Shea Moisture Body Wash Coconut Lime. This was okay. The scent is very unique. You think coconut lime would be good, but on your body it just doesn't sit right, in my opinion. It is sulfate-free, paraben-free. It felt good on the body. It soaked it well, but I would not repurchase that. This is the Valerio Hibiscus and Pink Clay Nourishing Hand Wash. Now, these I do really enjoy. This is from the Dollar Tree. This specific Valerio in this container I like. I feel like they soap up really nicely. They get sudsy, which is soap up, duh. And they smell really nice. The scent seems to be a lot stronger. Now, I am using one currently. That's the one at the Valerio in the taller style. Those are okay in my opinion. I don't feel like they get very soapy. I don't feel like they have a very strong scent as these do. So I kind of prefer these in the shorter ones, but I would repurchase these. This is a Colgate 2-in-1 toothpaste. You guys know we constantly buy these. I have backups. They are only $1 at Dollar Tree versus $4 at Walmart or Target. This is the Hip Hop Hooray Sprinkled Donut Gentle Foaming Hand Wash. This has shea butter, vitamin E, aloe, and essential oils. It's made with buttercream, milk, and sweet vanilla. I absolutely love this. I don't know that I can get it anymore because it's more of a holiday scent. This is the Hask Orchid and White Truffle Moisture Rich Conditioner in a 33.8 fluid ounce. I love this brand because it's free of sulfates, parabens, gluten, drying alcohol, and artificial flavors. It smells amazing, feels amazing on the hair. This one is a hydrating one, so I would definitely repurchase that. product I got from Influenster. This is Finesse Restore and Strength shampoo. I haven't finished the conditioner, but I did finish the shampoo. I really did enjoy this. It made my hair super, super soft. It made it look really shiny, and it smelled great. So I would consider repurchasing that. This is a Dawn Platinum Power Wash. This is the one in the sprayer that they have now. I really, really like this. I did already purchase another one to replace this one, but these are really nice if you have pots and pans or even dishes that have stuff that's stuck on them and they're harder to get off. This is really, really great to put a spray and it will really take that off. So I really do like that. This is a bubble bath from Bath & Body that I finished up. This is Hello Beautiful. This is another product I've had in my bathroom for years. This is white gardenia, jasmine petals, magnolia blossom, pink nectar, and cotton musk. And it is what it says, a bubble bath. Anytime I took a bath, I would use this. And it just smelled really nice and felt really nice on the skin. I don't know that I would purchase this scent again because it's not one of my favorites. It is nice, but I do like their bubble baths. They do get very sudsy and really nice. So I finished that one. Another toothpaste. This one is the Colgate Whitening. Already repurchased that. I finally finished up the Glam Glow Gentle Bubble Daily Conditioning Cleanser. This was a 5-ounce, and Lord, let me tell you, this took forever to finish. I am so glad I finished it. It was really nice. I definitely would repurchase it because it was very nice for my dry, sensitive skin. It didn't irritate it. My skin felt really great, but it took forever to finish up because you could see it's a ginormous container, but really liked that. This is my Dove Go Fresh Pomegranate and Lemon Antiperspirant. I love these in the spray. I don't really like the roll-ons just because I feel like they leave a residue. Even when you shower, these I feel like just wash off great with no issues. I already purchased backups in a different scent. I like to try the different scents. This is a Solid Secret Powder Fresh. This was my last solid that I got, and I've had this finished, I think, in July, the end of July. It's okay, the scent is nice, but like I said, I don't prefer these just because of the feeling on my underarms, so I would not repurchase the solid again. I did finish up these Invisible Acne Patches. These are from the Shop Miss A website. This is the AOA Skin Tea Tree and Sika. Came with 12 patches. They were nice. I would say I kind of like the Dollar Tree ones better. They were the same price. I feel like you had to do it several times in order to get the full effect, but they were nice. This is the Dove Irritation Care Fragrance-Free Ultra Moisturizing for Dry, Itchy Skin. I got this for my husband because during the summer his skin gets really itchy from sweating and all of that. He liked it and he used that a lot. And we like Dove products, so we will probably repurchase. This is the VO5 Dry Scalp Solutions. This is a moisturizing shampoo that we get at Dollar Tree. We actually use this on our dogs when we were bathing them. So this was theirs, actually, and they finished all this up. And the reason why we decided to use it is because sometimes with dog shampoos, they have this really bad odor even after, you know, from being washed. And so we wanted to try something different. This is, it says to soothe and relieve with almond oil and paraben free. And they didn't get any irritations or anything. And it really did help with that stench that they typically will have after being bathed. So we really do like this. My daughter loves this shampoo as well. So we constantly repurchase these. And now we like them for her dogs. This is the Carol's Daughter Cocoa Cream Curl Quenching Deep Moisture Mask for dry, very dry curly hair. This was my daughter's. She loves Carol's Daughter products. I constantly get her those. I find them at Ross, TJ Maxx for really inexpensive. And anytime I do, I will pick them up for her and my son because they do have really curly hair. This was from the Dollar Tree. This is the Clarice Feminine Cleansing Wash. I found this at the Dollar Tree. It's a different brand than the one I typically get at Dollar Tree, but I really did enjoy this. The scent was really nice. I didn't have any irritation, and I do have backups. This is Afina Ultra Moisturizing Shampoo. It is safe for color treated hair, sulfate free, and hydrating. This was my daughter's and son's. They did finish that up. They really did like it. It was a gift from one of our friends. This is what she uses on her really curly hair, and she has beautiful hair. So she picked this up for them to try. They did really like it. They want me to repurchase it, but it just says here that it's a high dose of moisture with rich moisturizers, intensely hydrate hair to add strength and shine, while the gentle sulfate-free formula protects your color and promotes healthy shine and bounce. I think she orders it offline. They did enjoy that. Another hand soap I used up. This is the Let's Get Igshid Sunny Blue Skies. This one has salted ocean breeze, lemon zest, and blue skies. And I really did love this scent as well. I believe I got this around Easter, so these were probably like temporary scents. But if it ever did come back, I would definitely repurchase it. Next time I know to get doubles because it was really nice. Another toothpaste. This one was my kids. They take off the label. I don't know why. This was a travel size toothpaste that my husband took with him out of town for work. This is a Sweet Chef Ginger Kombucha Vitamin D Chill Mist. This hydrates, soothes, and cools. That was mine. I loved this. I would definitely repurchase it. I think I got this in a BoxyCharm or something. I can't recall. This was a face mist. I really enjoyed it. I would repurchase that. This is the OC, I think is how you say it, Ocean Cleanser. This was one I think I got in a Allure box. I really, really liked this. It says it's for normal dry combination skin. It really smelled really, really nice, really earthy, and it felt great on the skin as well. I would consider repurchasing that. This is my Fenty Beauty Butter Pro Filter Loose Powder. I am so ecstatic. This was one of the oldest powders in my collection, and I actually finally finished it. We had a little bit that fell out the lid, but you could see there. Super exciting. It wasn't a mini. I prefer buying them in the mini if I could, because no one goes through that much powder, but super excited. I finally finished that up. This is the Sweet Chef, same brand as that spray, Oat Milk Latte Cleanser. Gently cleanses and removes makeup. I really did enjoy that. I probably got this in a Ipsy or some subscription box, but it was really nice. I would repurchase that. This was my husband's when he goes out of town for work. This is a Suave Men 3-in-1 shampoo. He used all that up. He always repurchases these for when he goes out of town. This was mine. This is a Cetaphil Extra Gentle Daily Scrub for all skin types. I really did like this. I didn't care so much for the scent. Had like a not great scent, but it felt really nice. It had little micro beads in it, which felt really good on the skin. This was a toothpaste we finished up, the Crest 3D Stain Eraser. I got this at Dollar Tree, and I really do enjoy it. I definitely think that you cannot beat this for $1 at Dollar Tree. I do feel like that one does take off the stains on your teeth. This is the Hydration Sensitive Gel Cream Moisturizer. Cut the lid off, but that one was used up right there. You try to use a lot of samples in the last 2 months. This is a Kate Somerville Exfoliate Intensive Exfoliating Treatment. I love this. I already have a backup of this in the full size. Sample is the Wishful Thirst Trap Juice from Huda Beauty. I really liked this. I would definitely purchase that. I also used the Tarte Knockout Brightening Gel Moisturizer. I did really enjoy that as well. I would repurchase that. Or the shampoo and conditioner Living Proof Frizz Conditioner. It was okay. Obviously, it smelled great, but one use, you can't really tell whether or not it's going to be good for your hair. These are the Dermalogica Ultra Calming Water Gel I think that was a moisturizer, can't remember. Then this was a Super Rich Repair. That was a nighttime one. I really did like these as well. They worked really nice, made my skin feel really good, especially this one. I used it at night. It felt great. And this was the Overnight Repair Serum. That one was really nice as well. I do like Dermalogica products. I have heard a lot of great things, and when I worked at Ulta, we would sell a lot of those. This is the Yardley Earth Spring Body Wash Lavender, English Lavender. I did enjoy this. I got this in a Walmart box some time back. Very nice. And then this was the Loctane, I can't pronounce that brand, Divine Eyes Eye Cream. This was really nice as well. It felt really good on the eyes, very hydrating. This is the AOA Studio Go Brow Fiber Gel in, I believe this was brunette, medium brown. I had told you guys about this in a video, and when I went to finally use it, it was all dried out, so I must have gotten a bad one. So I didn't really ever get to use this, so I can't tell you how it was. I don't know that I would repurchase it because it hasn't been that long that I did purchase it. It's been less than a year, and when I went to finally use it for the first time, it was completely dried out, so I don't think I would want to repurchase it. This is my Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Invisible Pink eye primer. You guys saw me use this in a video. It's in a sample size, and I absolutely hated it. So I already told you guys it would be in an upcoming Empties. I'm just trashing it. You can't move any shadows over that. I don't like it at all. This is the Kapari Coconut Toothpaste. I've had this for so long, but I finally did put it in my shower and finish it up. It was okay. This is a Stila Liquid Glitter and Glow Shadow and Forever. It's like a pretty gold. It did dry out. There's not really any product in there. So there's that. It's just all like dry and chunky. Product Candy Night Perfume and the Skylar Isle perfume. I did enjoy those. These are just little samples. I would not repurchase any at the moment. I have way too many perfumes and I need to go through those. We did finish up a Glide Oral-B floss right there. It's empty. Have backups of those. And then this is a Fenty Beauty Liquid Fly Liner. And I believe this is in black. And that is what the tip looked like. I really did like this liner and I definitely would repurchase it. It just glided on really nicely. It's really deep black and it does dry matte, which is really nice. So is that everything? I think that's everything. Is all of my empties, guys, for the month of July and August 2021. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I did want to try to go through it as quickly as possible. Hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you have any more questions about any of the products I showed and you'd like more information, definitely ask me that down in the comments as well. I would love to answer any of your questions that you have. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you did enjoy it. Subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. I appreciate each and every one of you guys. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.